Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am unboxing a new lens that I got. It's a macro lens, so it's my first macro lens on the Fuji system. So I'm pretty excited to see how it'll work. I've had both Sony and Canon, the Canon 100 or 105, can't remember what it was. Yeah, that was a really good lens. So it'd be interesting to see what this one's like. It's been a while since I've used a macro. And yeah, I got the 80mm and it's a 2.8 weather resistant in body stabilization. And yeah, the R I think stands for the ring, the aperture ring from memory. Yeah, so I'll open it up and take you on a little journey with me. I thought I might as well film this so you can see what's in there, and I'll take a few pictures at the end and put them to music so you can see what they look like. So yeah, the box, let me see, sneaky. I've got to hide the serial number because you never know. But that's the back of the box, and underneath we've got that in case you want the stats. I think the filter is 62, wasn't it? Yeah, where did I see that? Yeah, 62 for those that want to know if you're using any filters and adapter rings. So I'll open it up. What have we got? I'll just take the top tier off and we'll have a look. I should really set up the second camera for all this, but I've just been too lazy to do it and too bombarded with my photography coursework. So a little manual. Oh, I still like these paper ones. I know they're not good for the environment, but there's something about paper, although there's not usually too much in these, but it's worth looking because sometimes it tells you, what not to do and how to do something to do with the lens. A little bag. I can unpack. Oh, I won't unpack it. It's just the standard. I've shown these before on my videos, but it's just to put the lens away. And two little other bits of paper. And then we'll go to the lens. So hopefully I won't drop it. Let's see. I'll get this up. I just realised my mic's sitting up there and I've got this right next to it every time. Anyway, I won't talk while I do this so you can just watch it. Oh, it's quite heavy. Let's see. Right, now that I've got all the plastic off, I can talk again. Oh yeah, that's a really big lens hood, wow. Let's have a look inside. Nice. I'll give you a close-up. Really big ring there. That's super chunky. And there's the aperture ring. And the back. So it also has, I think, the buttons on the side, doesn't it? There. What have we got? Stabilization and... Oh, the one where you sort of can focus, tell it to focus at a certain distance so that it doesn't hunt. So that's pretty cool. All right, so that's that for the unboxing. Nothing too exciting there, but yeah, it's quite big and a little bit heavy. I'll see if I can put up the measurements while I'm talking about it. And I will jump now into some pictures. So I'll go around and take, I'll do some macro and I'll try and take like non-macro ones too, so you can see what it looks like as just like a normal 80mm lens. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed the video or like the pictures, or maybe I'll number the pictures so you can tell me what your favorite one was in the comments. Yeah, and give a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe if you want to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.